There's a lot of turkeys.
Doesn't seem like as many of them tonight, huh? There may still be some across the road. Wish you can set your clock, but well, no, they're early tonight. It's 4:49. 10 minutes early.
That's why they're not coming across yet. They're waiting.
This is just the precursor.
See, it's about here is when the cats usually come out, or they have the last few nights, but I don't see them yet tonight. The neighbors have 3 cats, and the turkeys have backed them down. I should shut up, huh? You're recording. I'm sorry.
Had some horse hooves in the background.
Pretty obvious too, dude.
Tasty stuff, huh?
He learned that about the big Canadian geese too.
Oh, that's nasty stuff.
They were his friends.
Ah.
And Dan, not Deanna, but Maggie.
Yeah.
She found a big juicy one the other day and did a whole pirouette, put one cheek in it and spun around.
Oh, God.
Come right around the top of her head, back down the other side. She was so proud.
Yuck.
She had it all over her. Aren't those gorgeous?
Yeah.
There's not as many tonight. There are fewer.
You ever get stragglers? That show up late?
Well, I hadn't noticed. It just seems like the pack isn't as big as it was.
Yeah. I haven't even thought about counting them.
Oh, we tried. It's hard.
Yeah.
Because they won't hold still.
Yeah.
Or stay in a single line, you know?
Yeah. Well, there's no. You get the pack, but there's nothing coming behind.
No, they usually stick pretty tight. I've been watching them. They'll stop and wait for others to catch up. So that's all of them that's coming tonight, I think.
Huh. Oh, I know where.
They'll come down across the front here. You'll get
1, 2,
lots of shots of them. The ones out through here are usually pretty good.
4. Yeah, it's hard to count because they don't. Some go fast, some go slow. They don't stay.
All right, good job.
Well, there's at least 30 there. There's between 30 and 40.
46 in the trees.
Oh, wow.
But that was when they first started coming.
Yeah.
You're going to have some really good shots when they come on around. They'll come around here in just a minute. And what's really cool is when they all take off.
Oh, that's
yeah.
the one I want to get.
You want to go out there and throw a rock? Yeah, you'll see the White River in the background, maybe.
And some of the prettiest things in the evening when it's almost just pitch dark, you can come out and you see the shadows in the tree, the silhouettes in the trees. It's really pretty.
It's bad situation for photography though.
Yeah. You're wearing a vest.
Yeah.
Insulated vest. And probably pants with
Insulation. Hey, it's nice on the route.
Check it out, David. Check it.
When are they gonna come up and kiss you?
That's cool. And like I say, you'll see them they'll start spreading their wings and exercising their wings a little bit and strutting a little bit, and it's kind of a whole ritual, it seems, that they start to get into.
There's still some in the side yard over there.
There's more at the back.
They just get all stretched out.
So what are they eating? Seeds?
Whatever they can find, I bet.
Eating whatever they can find. Grass, I think. I swear we got some grass growth here the other day. I know it's not supposed to grow after it's over 40, but
you get sunshine.
I swear it sure turned green.
In places, I'm sure it is. In the places where it doesn't get shaded, gets any shade, then Oh, that one's going back the other direction now.
And what's funny is all of a sudden one of them will seem to find something that's yummy to eat, and they'll all run over there. What you got? It's good. They're taking their own sweet time tonight. Last night they just marched across the front.
They're busy snacking as they go.
And can't seem to get up early enough in the morning for me to be here.
Are they out here in the morning also?
Well, they stay all night. There's number
Oh,
one.
they roost in the tree.
There's number one. Yeah.
Huh.
Here they go.
Yeah, the two of them just went up there. Horrible videographer.
It's starting to wear.
Oh, he's in a hurry for something.
He's going to the tree. They gotta get a little running start.
Huh. That's better on the side. Yep. One by one, up they go.
Want me to inspire him, boy?
Couldn't keep up with him. So they all end up in the tree and they stay there all night.
Hey, there he goes. That's cool.
I missed him. Oh, yeah, they're doing it a little more in earnest now. And they're all looking up there. Oh, you guys beat us up there. What the heck? You guys got the prime spots? What about us?
Just a bunch of turkeys, man. And I'm not referring to the American public. Here they go, here they go.
Yep. The ones still on the ground are just saying, oh, you're leaving the prime food to us? Cool.
Couldn't
Couldn't keep up. Need to be out there.
All gone.
All gone.
You can see them in the tree
Here,
out
now
there,
step
though.
out on the deck. You can get
Yeah.
them. Here. Huh? They're really hard on the baby bird population.
Oh, really?
They eat everything in their sight.
Huh.
But this is the first time we've actually seen them in a group. We've had 3 or 4 here when we first moved in the first year or two. But they usually just walk through and fly across the river and go on. Louie, nice try, pal. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Get in here, snack king.
You cleaning up after him? Now, if you wanted to, can you stitch what you have and what I have together?
Yeah.
Cool.
You just send me whatever you have in there.
Later. I need to put my coat on. I'm cold now.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go back in.
All
They're
these
making
trees.
sounds.
Yeah.
Listen.
Isn't that funny? Long necks.
Louie? Louie! Get your butt in here. Get, come on. Get in. I have to tell you this, that since they started choosing us as the chosen ones, we're special. we feel at least pooped on. For sure. But you know,
You're
I
feeling
mean,
especially fertilized?
Yeah, full of it, yeah. But there's a lot of that going on. But you wonder why they're not going there or not going. I mean, there's 2 houses down. They've got big, beautiful yards, huge trees and stuff, but they've been just keep coming back here, and it's kind of cool.
Maybe they can feel the appreciation.
Maybe.
You are the chosen one.
I wish you could have got a video of them coming in the driveway. It was the cutest thing you've ever seen. It was just a whole group of monkeys.
Yeah, Mom will get a kick out of a video of this. She's big on quail.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we get quite a crop of them here sometimes. We've had 50, 60 to
There's
a bunch.
a couple of spots on the route where they're really concentrated.
A couple years back, we had a real crop of them, and then I think they fed all the local animals over the winter, you know? Come on, Louie.
That's sure to
Nice try.
trim the population a little.
Come on.